Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for spotting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet sweater design. And these crochet sweater design pattern are having to all fabulous design from easy. A crochet sweater can be simple or elaborate as you want. All sweaters have this common design for use. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. Most crochet sweater pattern on the blog use basic beginner friendly stitches such as a single crochet or half double crochet stitches. Crochet sweaters are a great way to learn new stitches with a picture deal. Offer time to make small sweater design. These crochet sweater designs are simple to make and will look stylish and unique on your little one. These comprehensive lists for the best crochet sweater patterns. These three patterns are beautifully designed and suitable for both beginner and maker. The design for crochet every day. These crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work on get them make shine more and more. I hope you enjoy this collection of crochet sweater patterns. You like this crochet more free patterns? Check out the crochet pattern collection below. The crochet sweater pattern are designed with simple stitches, so these patterns should work up fast. This design use big crochet pattern that could be worked in a elaborate natural color shade. So most of pattern below use simple beginner friendly stitches like the single stitches crochet, which means they are mostly easy crochet. This is a cute free crochet sweater pattern based around the design of hearts. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more crochet patterns, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So we will share this video to your friend and family member. So friends, be connected with me and remember me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.